Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about nutrition in animals. The process of nutrition in animals. In the previous class, we have learned our body, our food contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. But they cannot be utilized by our body directly because they are complex. Therefore, they must be converted into simple form. Now we will see what are the steps involved in the process of nutrition. So nutrition has mainly five steps. They are: 1. Ingestion, second, digestion, third, absorption, fourth, assimilation, and last one, fifth step is egestion. Now we will see what is ingestion. The process of intake of food into the mouth cavity is called ingestion. Different animals takes food in different ways. For example, butterfly sucks the honey, nectar. So so many animals takes food in different ways. Now, so ingestion is a reflex action which is involuntary. So it occurs when the food is put at the posterior part of the tongue. So in the mouth, we know there are different types of teeth, isn't it? So how many types of sets of teeth are there? Two sets. First one is milk teeth, and milk teeth are 20 in number and they are present when we are young. They do not contain smaller teeth. And second type is permanent teeth. So they are 32 in number. So if those teeth are lost, they cannot be replaced. So including wisdom teeth also, how many teeth are there? 32. So these 32 teeth are arranged in two jaws, upper jaw and the lower jaw. So upper jaw has 16 and lower jaw has 16. So we know four types of teeth are there: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So you also know shape and functions. Now, so these teeth are arranged in two jaws, upper jaw 16 and lower jaw 16. Once again, the upper jaw, half of the upper jaw, left upper jaw is 8 teeth and right upper jaw is 18. In the same way, 8 teeth are arranged in the lower jaw. So this type of arrangement is called as dentition. Dental formula is 2 1 2 3. That is 2 1 2 3 means, so 2 incisors, 1 canine, 3 premolars, 2 premolars and 3 molars. So 8 like that. And so we know tooth decay. So our parents used to ask, so you must brush your teeth neatly and perfectly to maintain dental hygiene. So tooth decay is caused. Why? Because some bacteria together with food contains and they form a plaque. So these bacteria, they produce some acid which dissolves the enamel of the teeth. In the beginning we have seen the tooth structure also. So the enamel, the white portion of the teeth, you call it as enamel. So this acid penetrates into the dentine, causing tooth decay. So how tooth decay can be prevented? So you should have balanced diet, that is calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D. So adding fluoride in water to strengthen the enamel of our teeth, not chlorine which kills bacteria in water. So that's why our paste contains fluorine. In the toothpaste which we use contains fluorine. So avoid sugary food and drinks between. So enough today. So this is enough. In the next class we will see.